guys. I hate alright guys. Why do I always start off the video like that? Yo everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dwoodog here. As you know, our latest videos and the one you're about to watch and the several other parts are me building a little cabinet around some old scrap drawers I had. I'm not making this video, this whole thing, like 15 minutes. It's going to be split up into about 6-7 parts, probably about 7 parts easily. And it's just to bring you along to see what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, what it looks like to see somebody who is at novice level making a simple, I would call like high school project. I haven't been out here a lot doing stuff with wood, so I'm just a guy that, you know, he's got a couple of wood tools and some wood and a little bit of know-how and a lot of YouTube videos to watch. But hopefully you'll follow along, get some entertainment out of it. Like I said, each of these videos, 6 or 7 or 8 of them, are probably around half hour, 25 minutes each, give or take. So I know they're kind of long, but I like the longer videos. I don't want to just put a video on and then in 10 minutes it's over and it's like, oh well, that was cool. Barely even had 3 sips of my coffee and the video's over. But then again, I'm not making these all one video and having a 2-hour video. Nobody's going to sit for 2 hours and watch anything. I'm not. So, you know, to the other YouTube guys that make 2-hour videos, they're too long. Especially like, you know, for instance, Wrangler Star does these like 2-hour live streams. I can maybe watch them for half hour, 45 minutes at the most, and then I just get bored. I just get bored of watching him yabbling in front of the camera about everything under the sun. I mean, I like the guy and he makes great videos, but that's, you know, I can only take so long of him just sitting there in front of the camera yabbling on. No offense if he ever watches this video, he never will. But that's it. So I'm just giving you a heads up on what you're about to expect. I'm going to try to upload all of these in order so that they're all part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. I'll do my best. I'm also using Final Cut Pro now, which is new to me. So this is, the learning curve on that is just naturally taking longer than it did with iMovie. But wow man, when you get the hang of Final Cut Pro, you can sure do a lot with that thing. That thing is overwhelming. All the plugins, I don't have any plugins, I just got simply what it comes with. I'm kind of a cheap ass. I might get some plugins down the road if I really think I require them. As far as its kind of companion that everybody has, Final Cut Pro and Apple Motion or whatever it's called. Right now Apple Motion or like I said, whatever it's called, that's way above my head, man. I don't even have a 1/10 of Final Cut Pro mastered yet, so let's do one thing at a time, man. One thing at a time. Alright, enjoy the videos. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. It helps me out to get this. I'm not so worried about getting the channel really going big. It just gives me some encouragement to make more videos that, you know, somebody's watching them and somebody's getting something out of them. You know how it is. But thanks a lot, guys. We'll leave it at this for now. Enjoy the videos. afternoon, everybody. Dwoodog. 2 o'clock, November 22. Oh, I forgot to get some sandpaper. Crap, I gotta go back to the garage. We're gonna put the second coat on our little drawer thingy here. Man, this is taking way too much work to do this stupid little thing, but you know, that's okay. I enjoy it. Got some water, as you saw, for cleaning my paintbrush when I'm done. And then we got to run back to the shop and get some sandpaper just to give it a quick sand before we put on another coat. So let me just turn the camera off, run back to the garage, get a piece of sandpaper, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as we all know, you finish depends on one thing. Prep work. You do a crappy prep job, you get a crappy finish. This is really super rough right now, but it's dry. So I'm not going to bother sanding the inside, but the outside, what the heck. Let's move you around so you can see me do the other side. The wife was texting me, let's see what she wants. Oh, that could have hurt. That could have hurt. Doesn't look bad in there. Needs a little bit of a stir up. I have to buy more. That's cool. It's the temperature in here anyways. Like 2, 4, maybe it's 6 degrees if you're lucky. Well, I'll start on this side so you can see what I'm doing. Coats, call it good. That's one side done. Let me move you over. Where can I put you? up. All right. Probably everybody already knows this, but when you whack the lid on, put a rag or something over the lid so it doesn't splatter out at you. Good to go. Alright. I think this piece of sandpaper is dead. Oh crap, I forgot to do the back. Well, we can do the back again next time. We'll flip it up. We'll flip the back up so we can get it better, because you know it's just OSB, right? And then you can see the inside. I still got the back to do, got the top rails to do. And then the bottom, you know. We're going to flip it on its side and do it, be a lot easier. And the back. We'll probably just do the back with maybe a paintbrush. Or I might go up and get one of those bigger rollers they had. So we'll just leave it like that. But anyways, guys, we're going to leave it at that. Wednesday, whatever. I just got my COVID and my flu shot today, so I'm hoping I don't feel crappy over the next couple days. Probably will, but it's better than being in the ICU hospital for 2 or 3 weeks. So, you know, I'm not saying that you should get it. I'm not saying you should. I don't care whether you do or don't. I'm just talking about what I did. So I'm not going to start a whole big discussion on that, man. But the bigger problem is I lost my gloves. They must be in here somewhere. What the heck did I do with them? They were like brand new, man. I don't know. I'm looking around. I don't see them. Anyways, guys, we're going to leave it at that for now. This is part 4, I think. Something like that. I got to go inside and start editing again. I'm probably going to post part 1 or something today just to get it going. And yeah, I don't know where my gloves are. I don't think I slept enough last night. And we're still going to have to do the drawers. We got to sand them. And I might need to get the hammer and just, nah, that's okay. Those are okay. Those are a little bit high. Yeah, some of these are a bit high. We're going to have to hammer them down a little bit. We'll figure all that out when we start sanding. Not going to worry about it right now. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.